Hi everyone, so we're going to go through how we do algebraic division when the term that we're trying to divide has three terms in it. So for example, say if we want to divide x squared plus x minus 12, we want to divide that by x plus 4. So we're going to use the array method here for this today, which is where we form a box and we try to use that in order to help us find the terms that we need. So on the left hand side, we always start with whatever it is that we're trying to divide in and making sure to take account of the signs that are there as well. So since there are two terms that we're trying to divide in, we're going to have two horizontal rows here. The number of vertical columns that you're going to have is going to be one less than the number of terms in your main equation. So since we have three terms here, x squared, x, and minus 12, we are going to have two vertical columns. So into your very top left box, no matter how many boxes you have, your very top left is always going to be your highest power of x, and your bottom right box is always going to be the term that has no x with it, including the signs. So now what we're doing is we're forming a multiplication square. So say that this box is a result of the multiplication of these two here. So we're trying to find what goes into this box up on the top there. So what do we multiply by x to give us x squared? We'd multiply it by x. So now we can fill in this box down here on the bottom left. So this will be a result of the multiplication of these two boxes. So we have x multiplied by plus 4, so that will give us plus 4x. This minus 12 is a multiplication of the plus 4 and whatever term goes up here. So 4 into 12 will give us 3, and since it's a minus 12, we have to take account of our signs. So plus by what is minus, plus by minus would give you minus, that's a minus 3. So now we can multiply this minus 3 by this x, which gives us minus 3x. And if you were to try and take all the terms that are in your box here, if you were to simplify this, you'd get x squared plus x minus 12, which you'll notice is the same as what we have up here. So if the terms inside your box match up with the term that you had initially, that means your answer is correct. And the answer in your top row up here will be your overall answer for this question. So the answer here is x plus 3. We'll try another one or two here. Okay, so let's say we have x squared plus 5x plus 6, and we want to divide this by x plus 3. So on our left hand side we have x and plus 3. Since our main equation has three terms with it, we are going to have two vertical columns. Top left box has our highest power of x, bottom right box has the number by itself. So x into x squared will give us x times, say x because x times x is x squared. 3, so 3 into plus 6 will give us plus 2. And now we multiply our rows and our columns to fill in the other two. So x by plus 2 gives us plus 2x, and this plus 3 by this x at the top gives us plus 3x. And just to check, x squared plus 2x plus 3x plus 6, this, when we simplify it, gives us x squared plus 5x plus 6, which is the same as what we started with. So that means our answer here of x plus 2 is correct. And we'll try one more. X squared plus 8x plus 15 divided by x plus 5. So on our left-hand side, we have x and we have plus 5. Our main equation has 3 terms in it, so we are going to have 2 vertical columns. Top right box has the highest power of x, which in this case is x squared, and the bottom right box has the number by itself, which is plus 15. X into x squared gives us x times, and then x by plus 5 is plus 5x. Plus 5 into plus 15 gives us plus 3, and then plus 3 by x is plus 3x. And check, x squared plus 8x plus 15. This is what we should end up with. So we have x squared plus 3x plus 5x plus 15, which gives us x squared plus 8x plus 15. So we know that our answer of x plus 3 has to be correct because it matches up. When we add up our box, it adds up to the same as what we started with.